this mass exodus from the dorms. Are they really running from this sweet girl?
Hi.
You were coming over? Cool! In half an hour? See ya! Listen, Tom, here's the situation. I have a girl coming over in 30 minutes. I need to study. You can study later. All right, I need you to tidy up in here. Clean up this mess. That's better. Ew! That smells horrible! I should tidy myself up, too! I'll go shower. Meanwhile, the evil neighbor snuck into the boys' room. She sets the thermostat to maximum. Everybody likes saunas, and she takes the remote for herself. Phew! It's hot in here! The Sahara Desert wishes it were this hot! I should turn off the heater. Where's the remote? The girl is knocking. Bad timing. Oh, hey, you are here already? That fast? Come on in. Don't be shy. No thanks. Maybe some other time. While the boys are having sweet dreams, the evil neighbor is working on another prank. Alex's dream should continue in real life, and a VR headset will do the trick. Alex is exhausted. He fell asleep in his VR headset. And in the morning, Alex shocks his roommate. What's he doing? Fighting monsters? I need to take his headset off. Tom saved his friend from a real nightmare. Poor Alex. The guy stole a face mask from their evil neighbor's room. Now we'll dissolve some food coloring in water. More coloring. Fill up a syringe, pierce the packaging, and fill the mask with the coloring. Then we'll just put it back where we found it. I need to put my face mask on after showering. Now I wait. The girl has no idea that her mask is a little different. Oh, I won't forget this anytime soon. You have no idea who you are messing with. We finally got revenge. Ah, I wish I could have seen her face. Good night. But the evil neighbor is ready to go. I wonder if she even sleeps at all. Hey, wake up, Fuzzy Wuzzy! Ah! What's up with your eyebrows? This is a real prank war. General Tom is crafting an ingenious military operation, and Lieutenant Alex is working on weapons. He brings out some instant mashed potatoes, a bowl, a spoon, and a teapot. I'll make mashed potatoes. Yum! And now the main ingredient, brown food coloring. Smells great, but it looks kinda rough. Go ahead, bring us victory! The most important thing is to sneak in and grab her Crocs. Good morning to me! Ew! Gross! The guys are having a normal morning, playing games even in the kitchen. Their evil neighbor is being suspiciously nice. She offers the boys tea. Alex smells something fishy, but the game is distracting him, so he's not on guard. Meanwhile, she's brewing very special tea. Enjoy, fellas! The retaliating blow happens almost immediately. Soy sauce and a coffee maker are completely incompatible. Well, usually, but all's fair in a prank war. Alex pours soy sauce into the water compartment. Now he just has to wait for the evil neighbor to make coffee for herself. Tensions are growing, and something as simple as taking a shower could end up in another prank for the evil neighbor. While she is showering, the guys take her clothes from the hanger and leave a cardboard box instead. What can you do? She can't run through the dorm naked. She'll have to wear the box. What a look! Don't trip while going around a tight curve. What was that? The evil roommate is sleeping peacefully. Wake up, Sleeping Beauty! Snip, snip! Say goodbye to your hair! It's an old prank, but it works every time! Want to prank someone in the bathroom? Add yellow coloring to the toilet bowl. Hey, who's gonna clean this up? Alex, come here. Take a look at this. It worked. Our neighbor is sick. She has a fever. She needs meds. Oh, I can't! I need to chase it with some water! And Tom is in the kitchen, hard at work on another prank. Close the drain, collect some water, and dump all the rest of the food remnants into the sink. Ew! That looks gross! Now I'll put all the clean cups into the sink too. Are there any cups left? Ew! The sink got clogged! I'll have to take a cup out of there! Night. Peaceful and quiet. Perfect opportunity to pour oil all over the hallway floor. A terrifying monster creeps into the girl's room. I'm here to eat your soul! So she runs right out into the hallway. But there's something even worse out there. A meeting in the kitchen? She stopped paying attention to her coffee. Fatal mistake! Tom puts a rubber spider right into her cup. A typical situation. We are out of toilet paper at the worst possible moment.
Guys.
But he doesn't hear you. But the evil neighbor is right here. Oh, you'll get your toilet paper all right. Tom didn't expect that. The evil neighbor decided to overload him with toilet paper. How inventive! A roll and a fan made a machine that unrolls toilet paper. The head of the dorm entered into the heat of the paper battle. This is unacceptable! You have broken every rule of our dormitory!
Thanks.
Take your things and go! What's with this mass exodus from the dorm? Are they really running from this cute couple? Did you like our dorm pranks? Then comment below if you have ever pranked anyone who lives in your dorm. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss funny new pranks from Troom.